Hi everyone. As part of this session, I will cover polymorphism. So polymorphism is one of OOPS means object-oriented programming pillar. Okay. So polymorphism is nothing but one interface, many implementation. Means the depending on situation, the implementation will behave differently. As name suggests, poly means more than one. It behaves more than one way for same for same interface. Okay, so let me explain polymorphism with practical example. So I have created one calculator class, okay, and it have one method called add numbers. So add number is currently taking two parameters num1 and num2, and it is adding two numbers, and add method is returning it. So simple program. I'm just creating object of calculator, and I'm calling the add numbers, and I'm passing some 10 and 20 as a parameter. So sum will be 10 plus 20 equal to 30 will be should be printed. Okay, so let me run this. Yeah, sum is 30. But if I want to I here I have two parameters, right? But if I want to achieve this method, add numbers method, where I can pass 5 or 10 parameters, then also it should add a whole whatever passed. For example, if I am passing, I don't want to pass 2. Randomly, I want to pass sometimes 2, sometimes 5, sometimes 10. Randomly, I want to uh, pass some values. Okay. In that case, also my add numbers should handle. So how to achieve this? If you just write like this, it is static now. It will take only two parameters. But I want, irrespective, I don't want only two. uh, Users may pass three or six, any numbers as a parameter. Then also add method should handle. So how to achieve this? uh, just provide star here and provide number, and instead of adding two numbers, you can Python provides some method where whatever is passed, it will be added. So now let me copy and paste, and let me pass now three parameters to add numbers. Okay, and let me rerun. Okay, so first output is 10 plus 20 is 30, and second time when add method calls, it handled three parameters, and sum of 10 plus 20 plus 30 is 60. You can add any numbers, any parameters, because you used asterisk, you prefixed variable with asterisk, so it will handle any number. So same implementation, there is no change in implementation, but it is behaving differently in different situation. Sometimes it is, if you pass two parameters, then also it is taking three parameters, then also it is taking. Let me rerun. Now it is 70 second. So it added all these. So same implementation. I have not modified anything here. Even though two parameters also passed, this logic will handle three parameters also passed. This logic will handle with same interface, but behaving multiple way. Even though any number of parameters if you pass, it is handling with same implementation. So this is known as polymorphism. I hope polymorphism is clear. That's it from today's session. Thank you.